Now, as a new trader, we know exactly what you want. Okay, you want an uncomplicated system and you want to be able to get up and running as soon as possible. Well, that's exactly what we've done here at Traders for Traders with our Prime Time Quick Start course. It will give you the foundational knowledge to understand the prime time trading methodology, and it will literally get you up and running and trading today. There's no lengthy, complicated course to get through. We've got the specific protocols for identifying the trading opportunity. You download your platform and you are literally trading today. And then once you do start trading, it's time to move on to analyzing the markets and trading the technicals. Really improve your technical analysis skills, which is only going to enhance your trading experience. If you've been looking for a fresh start with fresh ideas, but with powerful knowledge and experience, then you've come to the right place. Not only do you get access to our $25,000 evaluation account to join our funded ranks, but you also get access to our live trading hub, our proprietary trading software, our exclusive trading community, and a range of trading guides and capital management plans. We have got you completely covered. So you've got the groundwork to start trading straight away, and then the knowledge and experience and courses to build your knowledge around that. I believe it's the ultimate program for new traders to the market, and it will transform your performance. I can guarantee that. And this course will give you insight into our Primetime Pro AI trading software. It's the same methodology, and you're going to have a front row seat to start trading with that methodology. And there is nothing better in the market to get you starting in the right direction. If you're ready for a different outcome to what you've usually experienced, well, join Traders for Traders today, and we look forward to you joining our funded trader ranks. If you have any questions, jump online, and one of our team members or myself will get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck and happy trading.